The nominations for the Best Irish Folk Act are Christy Moore,
Ride on, see you.
When will you bring me my love?
Aoife Scott,
On the wild little lantern way. They look so drift.
Emma Langford, Lankum.
If all you young men were on the mountain.
To present this award, please welcome on stage Tom Dunn of News Talk.
Díomh to Aoife Moore a bheith an Shuhanacht. You've no idea how hard that was to say at a leaving cert. Barely scraped through the honour. I'm really delighted to be here for this award of all. I think the folk music it's where all music comes from, and I have to tell you a very quick story. I interviewed Christy Moore over the weekend, and I said, Christy, you left the bank in 1966 at the height of the Beatles. Why did you not want to be a Beatle? And he said, Tom, there is only folk music. It's where it comes from, and I think it's probably where it's going to. So let's find out who the winner of the Best Irish Folk Act is, the Irish Post Music Awards. It is Aoife Scott.
Lads, I honestly wasn't expecting that at all. What can I say? Thanks very much. To be up with Christy Moore, Lankum and the amazing Lemma Langford, I'm absolutely floored to win it. I can't believe it. I've released my album 2 years ago, and it's been a long road, and I'm delighted to the Irish Post Music Awards for having us. And I have to thank my mum, my dad, my brother Owen, my lovely sister-in-law Emma, and Kitty, my niece, and my lovely boyfriend Andy Meany. Thanks very much. Thanks very much.
Many congratulations to the lovely Aoife Scott, our Folk Award recipient tonight. And of course, Aoife hails from the famous Black family, and it's fair to say the apple doesn't fall.
Ceartar fád as Malachy. Níl chuí a thug sia agus tá fan club fád an seo linn. Os ar gór amach Mammy Francis agus ar nóin na Colcarachaí. Danny agus Roisin ó agus the chords fád linn enough. Fair play to Hort of Three, Aoife Scott.